Hello friends, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Notes, चेंजिंग द वे ऑफ लर्निंग। स्वागत है आप सबको। अब हम बात करने जा रहे हैं सिविल इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट कंक्रीट टेक्नोलॉजी का पार्ट 3 लेके। यहाँ पे मैं डिस्कस करूँगा टेस्टिंग ऑफ सीमेंट, मतलब टेस्टिंग ऑफ पोर्टलैंड सीमेंट और टेस्टिंग ऑफ सीमेंट, टेस्टिंग ऑफ सीमेंट, टेस्टिंग ऑफ सीमेंट। तो देखो the following important tests are carried out for ordinary Portland cement: fineness test, consistency test, soundness test, tensile strength test, etc. compressive strength test। तो देखिए फाइनेस टेस्ट क्या है। दिस टेस्ट इज carried to check the proper grinding of cement। फाइनेस टेस्ट किस लिए करा जाता? To check the proper grinding of cement, proper grinding of cement। It may be noted that the finer cement has quicker action with water and gain early strength. The finest of cement is tested either by sieve method or air permeability method। Finest test is finest of cement is tested by sieve method। ये MCQ क्वेश्चन बनता, MCQ क्वेश्चन। sieve method or air permeability method। In the sieve method, the finest of cement is measured in the terms of percentage weight retained of IS sieve number 9, 90 micron IS sieve, according to Indian standard IS 269 1967 and 1975। The percentage of residue left after sieving a good Portland cement through IS sieve number 9 would not exceed 10%. In air permeability method or sieve method, the fineness of cement is measured in terms of surface area in semi-square centimeter square per gram of cement। A good Portland cement should not have specific surface less than 250 semi-square per gram of cement। Consistency test। Consistency test. This test is conducted to determine the percentage of water, to determine percentage of water required for preparing cement paste of standard consistency for other tests such as setting time, soundness, and compressive strength test. Compressive strength test. This test is performed with the help of Hicker's apparatus. A MCQ question बनता. Consistency test is performed with the help of Hicker's apparatus, which consists of a plunger having 10 mm diameter and 40 to 50 mm length. The Vicat apparatus determines the initial and final setting time and normal consistency of cement. Vicat apparatus determines the initial and final setting time of cement and normal consistency of cement. उसके बाद देखिए soundness test. This test is carried out to detect the presence of uncombined lime and magnesia in cement, which causes the expansion of cement. The soundness of cement is tested with leach atarier apparatus. ये भी MCQ क्वेश्चन. Soundness of cement is tested with leach atarier apparatus. According to Indian standard specification, the expansion should not exceed 10 mm for any type of Portland cement. Tensile strength test. This test is carried out on standard briquettes made of good Portland cement and standard sand mortar in the ratio of 1:3 to determine the tensile strength of cement. The average tensile strength after 3 and 7 days of curing would not be less than 2 Newton per mm square and 2.5 Newton per mm square respectively. मतलब 3 days 2 Newton per mm square, 7 days 2.5 Newton per mm square. Compressive strength test. Number 5. Compressive strength test. This test is carried out on standard cubes made of good Portland cement and standard sand mortar in the ratio of 1:3 to determine the compressive strength of cement. The size of cube mold should be 17.6 mm. 70.6 mm. The cube should be kept at a temperature of 27 27 degree plus minus 2 degree Celsius in an atmosphere of at least 90% relative humidity for 24 hours. According to Indian standard specification, the average compressive strength for three cubes should not be less than 11.5 Newton per mm square, 17.5 Newton per mm square, and 3 to 7 days of curing respectively. तो गाइज इट इज मच फॉर टुडे। अगर आप हमारा चैनल पे नया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।